Okay, so we're doing another Lenz's law problem, and here we have a magnetic field represented by these dots in each of these examples. And so what we're doing is we're taking this loop of wire and we're pulling it to the right. And so when we pull it to the right, what's happening is the magnetic flux or magnetic field lines is increasing. And so since it's increasing, the loop says, nope, I want to create a magnetic field to offset that increase. So it's going to create a magnetic field. So this is out of the page, so it's going to create a magnetic field into the page. And so to create a magnetic field into the page, we need to create a current going this way. So the way we do that is we point our thumb into the page, and then our fingers represent the current that it wraps around. So that's why we get a clockwise current here. So we're going to say clockwise. This one, our loop is in the magnetic field already, and it's being pulled to the right, but it's staying in the magnetic field. So we have the same constant number of field lines before and after. We're staying in that field. So we're going to have 0 current. And that's because we have no change in the number of field lines. Whereas here, we're pulling the loop of wire out of the magnetic field. So that says that that's what's going to happen is our magnetic field out of the page is going to be decreasing because we're going to have less of these B field lines coming out at us. So we're going to want to create those to have the situation have more field lines like we had before. So we're going to create our own field lines with the current. So in order to create this B field out of the page, we point our thumb at our face and then curl our fingers around. And so our fingers are going to curl this way, counterclockwise. This one's going to be counterclockwise. Okay, in this example, we have a field strength. This is into the page. So it's into the page, but it's decreasing. So since it's decreasing, the wire is going to want to create a current to create more X's because so in magnetic field into the page. So in order to do that, I point my thumb into the page and my fingers wrap around like this. That'll give me the magnetic field to get back my field strength that I had. So this is going to be clockwise. Here, my field strength is increasing. So since it's increasing, my loop of wire says, oh, I want to get back to the same value. So I'm going to create some magnetic field opposite of that. So now I'm going to create magnetic field pointing towards me. So if magnetic field's pointing towards me, I point my thumb at my face and then my fingers curl around. And that means that the current's going to be in the counterclockwise direction. Now for the last one, this says the field strength is constant. So that's the important piece. I have field lines going through here, but I don't have changing magnetic field. So since the magnetic field isn't changing, then I don't create a current in my loop.